We've officially crossed the point where automation gives you leverage that you really can't ignore anymore. And we're getting to the point where AI agents will soon be able to replace hours of manual work every day. If you've been on X or any social media at all recently, you've probably seen all the Clawdbot, now named OpenClaw, hype. Everyone posting about agents doing wild stuff, building apps, scraping data. One of the hottest things right now is OpenClaw agents building Moltbook, which is basically an AI agent version of Reddit. I've been really getting a kick out of this. One of the bots supposedly leaked its owner's social security number and credit card. And while that's probably a joke, I don't really want to find out the hard way. So OpenClaw is open source, which means it's completely free. So you can download it and you can run it directly on your machine and have an AI agent that just has read and write access to your machine, which also means that's kind of terrifying. By doing that, you're giving an AI agent that you don't really fully understand under the hood access to your machine, your files, your browser, potentially your emails, your calendar, credentials, all of it. And that is genuinely insane. But for some reason, hundreds of thousands of people are doing exactly that. Now, the right way to think about this is that you don't want to give AI essentially God mode to your personal computer. Instead, what you should do is run it in isolation and then give it very specific permissions. That way, even if the agent does something dumb, it's contained. Right now, the trend that I see people doing is buying a dedicated Mac Mini just to run this agent, which works, but it's a very tech bro-y thing to do and very expensive to just experiment with this toy that you probably won't even care about in a week. And a much better option than buying your own dedicated Mac Mini is to run this on a dedicated VPS. Now, a VPS is basically a virtual computer in the cloud. It's like a slice of real estate on a computer, totally isolated, far away from your own personal data. And generally speaking, they're very cheap. VPSs are amazing, and there is a really straightforward way to purchase a VPS and spin it up with OpenClaw using Hostinger, who was kind enough to sponsor this video. They just released a super intuitive and easy UI that lets you spin up and manage a VPS installed with OpenClaw. You can literally click your way through the setup. So let me show you how to set this up and connect it to Telegram in not even 5 minutes, the safe and correct way. The first thing that you want to do is generate an API key from OpenAI or Anthropic. It's also probably smart to set a throttle on your API key usage, just so your bot doesn't go rogue in the middle of the night and burn through thousands of dollars in tokens. After that, head on over to hostinger.com/KennyG. Using this URL allows us to purchase a VPS directly from Hostinger that will contain OpenClaw as a Docker instance. We can pick a VPS plan directly from this dropdown. Now, I'm going to select the KVM2 VPS as it has a phenomenal price to performance ratio. It's equipped with an NVMe SSD and AMD EPYC CPUs. On top of that, it has enough resources to run multiple bots and automations, and it's very easy to scale later on. From there, I'm going to click the deploy button, which will take us to the checkout screen. You should see this OpenClaw icon here, meaning that our VPS instance will come with a Docker container to run our OpenClaw agent. Make sure to use my coupon code KennyG for a discount while checking out. Now, after purchasing, we are taken to this 3-input user interface with a pre-generated OpenClaw token. Now, it's very important to copy this and store it somewhere secure because we'll need to use it later on in the setup. Additionally, this is where we input our Anthropic API key that we generated earlier. From here, we simply click Continue and let Hostinger spin up our VPS. So while this is spinning up, this is actually the perfect moment to talk about why running this on a VPS matters. By using a VPS, all of your data stays on your server and your bot will only have access to the data that you provide it to on that server. If you go with Hostinger, you get full root access and complete control over your VPS environment. You can run multiple bots in parallel if you want to. You can scale resources whenever you want to, and you have access to the built-in VPS management with Hostinger's Cody AI assistant. Hostinger is my favorite hosting platform, and I've used them multiple times in the past for multiple different projects. So going back to our VPS, everything was set up as you see here with just a single click. Hostinger even exposed the ports our bot will be running on, and all we have to do is click on this hyperlink here to navigate to the OpenClaw gateway dashboard. To wake up our bot, let's head on over to the configuration tab and paste in our OpenClaw token, the one that we copied and saved from earlier after purchasing the VPS. Now that our bot is turned on, we can head on over to the chat interface to go ahead and wake up our bot by giving it a name. Because this is an AI agent that will run 24/7, we don't have to resort to this chat window every time we want to talk to it. And one of the very powerful things about OpenClaw is that we can connect it directly to our favorite messaging platform to chat with it whenever we want. I'm going to set up my bot with Telegram. So with the Telegram desktop app or mobile app, search for the botfather bot to kick off the process of connecting your agent to Telegram. Inside of this botfather chat, type /new bot, give your bot a name, give it a unique identifier. We're going to use this later. And then once done with that, make sure you copy this token. You will also need your Telegram user ID, which you can find by searching and clicking on the user info bot in Telegram. With this key, now we need to update our bot's configuration. Head over to the config tab on the gateway dashboard and then click the raw button. This is a JSON configuration and we need to update this with our own piece of JSON. I will paste this in the description. From here, we just need to add the bot token we just generated from the botfather, and then add our Telegram ID right here. Save those changes. And then lastly, we need to initiate the Telegram bot connection through Telegram by searching for our bot with the unique identifier that we used when creating this bot. I found my bot, and I'm going to kick off a chat with hello. Now we're able to chat with our bot directly through Telegram. Now let's talk about automation, because this is where OpenClaw really shines. OpenClaw is built for automating using something called crons. Now a cron is basically a scheduled job that runs automatically at a specific time or interval, like every day, every hour, or really whenever you want. The cool part here is that OpenClaw combines that with its agentic behavior, meaning that it can actually do things on your behalf once it's up and running. So you can set up schedules for your agent to handle real tasks. That could be responding to emails, booking things on your calendar, or anything else you'd normally have to remember to do yourself. As a content creator, because I'm constantly trying to come up with new video ideas, I thought it'd be really cool to have an agent that runs every single day and searches the internet for trending topics and content ideas in my niche, and then sends them to me at 7:30 in the morning. That way, when I wake up and I instinctively grab my phone, instead of doom scrolling on Twitter, I actually have something productive waiting for me. So I can actually instruct my bot through Telegram to set up a cron to do that for me and send me those messages every single day at 7:30 a.m. And then if we jump back to the OpenClaw gateway, you can see that the cron was scheduled and it is now running automatically. And just to prove this isn't a demo only thing, I have another agent here that I've already configured. It ran this morning and it sent me 5 video ideas at 7:30 a.m. So just a really cool toy to play around with. And once you start thinking in terms of automation, there's really no limit beyond your own creativity. So if you want to run OpenClaw without any limitations, save serious money, and not have to worry about your identity being linked, then use my link hostinger.com/KennyG to get an exclusive discount on all yearly VPS plans. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one.